Good day to all employers. My name is Felix Jan Pabelona, 32 years old, married. I have two children. My eldest is a girl, 7 years old, and my youngest is a boy, 3 years old. I am residing at San Enrique, Iloilo Province. I took Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, but I didn't graduate because lack of financial. But for now, I was working at a certain company. I am company driver, company messenger, company purchaser. And my previous job is company driver at telecommunication, as well as a rigger and installer for 2 years. And I can also cooking because I also work at a certain restaurant, as well as I am a cook and service crew. I am very hardworking, ma'am, sir, dedicated, willing to learn whatever tasks should my employer given. If you will hire me, ma'am, sir, I will do everything, and I will do my best to do my duty very well. I hope you will choose me as your driver or whatever job you may given to me. Looking forward to work with you, ma'am, sir. God bless you and your family. Thank you.